Welcome to Public Speaking with Peter George. This is a QuickBites episode. Public speaking tips and techniques you can digest in 5 minutes or less. I'm Peter George, public speaking trainer, speaker, and award-winning author of The Captivating Public Speaker. Storytelling is the secret weapon that separates exceptional presenters from good ones. Nothing grabs and holds attention like a well-told story. Not data, not evidence, not logic. Stories bypass the analytical brain and speak directly to emotion. Share statistics, and the audiences process them intellectually. Tell a story, and they feel it. They don't just understand your point, they see themselves in it. They experience it. They connect viscerally. It's the reason the adage, facts tell, but stories sell, has endured for generations. Think about the last presentation that stuck with you. I'm betting it included a compelling story that made you laugh, think, or even cry. That's the power of story. Stories work for 3 reasons. First, they're relatable. When you share a challenge, your audience thinks, I've been there. Second, they're memorable. People forget your framework, but remember the entrepreneur who lost everything and rebuilt. Stories stick after statistics fade. Third, they create emotional engagement. People decide based on emotion and justify with logic later. To inspire action, engage emotions. And that's precisely what stories can do. So how do you craft compelling stories? Every good story has 3 essential elements: a protagonist, a challenge, and a resolution. Your protagonist is who the audience follows, you, your client, or perhaps a historical figure. The challenge creates tension. Without conflict, there's no story, just an anecdote. For your story to have impact and deliver a moral, your protagonist needs an obstacle. The resolution is how the challenge is addressed. Maybe they succeed, fail and learn, or discover an unexpected solution. Connect the resolution to your core message, and you'll see the positive response in your audience. Here's a very simple formula. The protagonist was in this situation, and then this happened, and here's the outcome. Seriously, don't overcomplicate it. And keep this in mind. Obstacles are often internal. Doubt, lack of confidence, imposter syndrome. To really connect with your audience's challenges, consider both external and internal obstacles. Here are a few more things to consider. Use sensory details. Don't say, I was nervous. Instead, illustrate the experience. My hands are shaking, my heart pounding. Use dialogue. Instead of, she was disappointed, try, she said, I expected more. Tell stories in present tense so the audience can experience them instead of merely learning about them. And keep stories short. Often 2 to 3 minutes is sufficient. And be very sure to always connect back to your message. Here's a pro tip. Collect stories constantly. Keep a story file. Build a library you can draw from. You'll be glad you did. Here's your assignment. Identify the key point in your next presentation and craft a story illustrating it. Practice until it flows naturally. Remember, facts inform and stories transform. Master storytelling, and you'll transform from presenter to someone who creates lasting impact. Thank you for devouring another QuickBites episode of Public Speaking with Peter George. Are you ready to be calm, confident, and credible every time you speak in public? Then check out petergeorgepublicspeaking.com and let's make it happen.